An earthquake just happened. We don't realize it yet, but it is a full rip rupture of the Cascadia Subduction Zone fault off the coast of Washington. Within a few seconds, you are already feeling a trembling as the megaquake energy spreads from the epicenter. Break. Exercise, exercise, exercise. The ground here on Vashon Island begins shaking violently. You stop, drop, and hold. That means you stop, drop, and hold. Do not run for the door. Get under a desk or table if you can. Break. Exercise, exercise, exercise. More shaking. It feels like it will never stop. Some older masonry buildings right now are shaking so hard that bricks are beginning to fall to the street. 1,000 children already in classrooms at Vashon schools are now, hopefully, under their desks. Stop, drop, and hold. Yes, you. Stop, drop, and hold. Break.